Hello, my name is Mark Mitchell, and this is for an assignment for graduate school for Tarleton State University. And the assignment is instructional materials. I made an original instructional material here. The concept I'm trying to teach is the general concept of percentage, okay? And the disability type that I'm going after are Down syndrome, okay? So a student with Down syndrome, generally speaking, their math ability is not that great. They a lot of times do better in literacy type things, a lot of times, or some reading than math. So it poses a challenge, and their focus certainly poses a challenge. When you have to learn math, you need a little bit of focus there. So, so here's the actual instructional material here before too much time goes. I made this, and you can hopefully see how big it is. It has cardboard back, and you can see there's a 3D component here. I actually used toilet paper rolls and cut them in half, cylinders. And you see the progression here. You got 0%, 25, 50, and 75, and 100. And so, of course, right now it doesn't make much sense, but watch this. Take one of these and pop it on here, like that. And all of a sudden you got 25%. Now, this is a visual manipulative. This is a visual thing that hopefully you could point, okay, this is 50%. Look how much of this it is. It's 50%. And that could introduce the concept of portion, percentage, right? Notice the sign up top, the emphasizing each on the numbers, the percent, right? And hopefully this has some clarity. I tried to make it white background with something kind of striking here. And yes, you can go up to 75 and 100, right? So you could teach all these things. This is the manipulative. I think good things beforehand, if they can count up to 100, that would be great. Extensions, if they seem to be getting this, you could start to do kind of a back and forth a little bit. Where would 60%? How much of it would that be? And things of that nature. Also, of course, after they kind of start getting the idea, and you could do some assessment with this, then you could go on to generalizing in other ways, like a glass of Kool-Aid or whatnot, and start some of those things. But I've gone a little far, but this is the general concept here, and hopefully it would have some success over time, perhaps, right? Thank you very much.